Hello friends, today I will show you how to switch from a business account to a personal account on Instagram. It's a straightforward process. Let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile and then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Here, as you can see, the professional dashboard and location are showing, which means it is a business account. To switch to personal, click on this menu bar and scroll down to go to the professional section. Click on Business Tools and Controls. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on Switch Account Type. Here, you have two options, either switch to a personal or creator account. I want to switch to a personal account, so simply click on Switch to Personal Account. On this pop-up page, a warning message shows that after switching to the personal account, you will not be able to see your account insights. If you're ready, then click on the switch to the personal account and wait for a few seconds. Now, just go back to your profile and do your work. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.